German is one of the hardest languages to learn for non-native speakers. But why is German so hard for foreigners to learn? The grammar of German is said to be really hard to learn. There are 3 genders: maskulin, feminin und neutrum, and 4 cases: Nominativ, Genitiv, Dativ und Akkusativ. And there are also so many times, and active and passive. There is so much to learn. So how should you go about learning German? Well, don't learn grammar. I didn't, and I'm a native speaker. I'm speaking on the level that learners try to achieve. You probably also didn't learn grammar of your own native language till you went to school. But by then you were already able to speak to your family and your friends or your teachers. So how did you and I learn our native language? Did we study flashcards and grammar books? No, we weren't even able to read. We acquired the language naturally from our family and the people around us who used language that was easy to understand, and over time we were naturally able to speak the language. But Monday, I don't have someone around me who speaks German to me. Well, that's what I'm here for. As a language learner myself, I sometimes find children's books and kids' TV shows a little bit boring. So I decided to use another medium to teach you German. Something that's more interesting to adults, but you can use the same method with them. Games. Games are more fun, and they have the same potential as children's books. So this way it can be more fun to learn German. I myself have an interest in language learning. That's why I learned about acquiring languages. So when our youngest family member started to learn German, I paid attention to how I speak to them. How do I read them a picture book? How do I play with them? So now I'm using the same way that I speak to a baby to teach them German, to be your language parent. By the way, if you're still worried about cases and genders, I can tell you this. As a native speaker, I'm still able to understand you, even if you use the grammatically incorrect structure. If you say, der Wolke sieht aus wie eine Hase, I still understand that you mean this cloud looks like a bunny. Even if the correct way to say it is, die Wolke sieht aus wie ein Hase. I can understand you. Even as native speakers, we sometimes do not speak textbook German that's 100% grammatically correct. Sometimes I forget words for things. Sometimes I use the wrong case, and that's fine. So it's fine if you do that too. So don't worry, take your time and learn German in a way you enjoy. Find a comprehensible video you like and try to understand as much as possible. And then rewatch it and rewatch it and rewatch it. Listen to it again and again and again. Only that way you will get the repetition you need to learn all these new words. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you will take a good look, listen closely, and learn lots of new words. And most importantly, have fun. Bye-bye!